VIPs, we did it today. Oh my God, we carved up our pumpkins for sure and carved up our core, got our V-taper going. Most importantly, we cracked your fat loss code. There's a science behind the 6 circuits in my VIP program. You're getting your abs, we worked our glutes in all 6 circuits, so this way you're building that glute shelf here. So this way, if you gotta take the money out of your back pocket, you just go like this and you go, here you go. No, seriously, we're carving up the pumpkins crazy today. So get this workout in. It was high intensity with some low impact as well. You know, scrambling it up, getting your body and your mind to think and not get bored at all. It was super fun. I just want to show you what it looked like actually. Right here. It was an amazing E equals MC squared. Energy equals muscle times 2. And I'm feeling great. Day 2 of our challenge, of our fall challenge. Keep it going strong, and I will see you guys at 2:30 for our group coaching. One of our VIPs said, I don't know what's better, the group coaching or the workouts. And to know that we're getting both for the same price, you're not charging more for the group coaching, it's like unheard of. So thank you for the positive feedback. I'm trying to get the glare out of my glasses. I love giving you guys my all. So thank you so much for being in the group and being a positive influence on everyone in the group and in your everyday life. Love you. Love you, love you. Namaste. I'm a little bit of namaste with a little bit of go F yourself. Love you. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.